Hello guys! Vzor-2 red dot review. In this video I will tell you about its characteristics, features, perform an unboxing and demonstrate modes in practice at the range. My name is Anastasia. Vzor-2 is a device 3-in-1. Red dot, visible green laser, infrared laser. When I speak about the red dot, there are three possible aiming marks: dot, circle, circle plus dot. The size of the dot is 1 more, the size of the circle is 34 more. It is 1 meter at a distance of 100 meters, and there is a possibility of separate adjustment of brightness of the circle and of the dot. So it looks like Vzor-1, and actually it is based on our Vzor-1 red dot and perst-4 combined device, perst-4 dual laser. The initial idea was to do a device that combines two of them in one body, so it can be installed on compact rifles with little space for installation of additional equipment. So we took perst-4, we took Vzor-1, added some engineering magic, and Vzor-2 appeared. Let's start with the opinion of practical users. What to Dmitry? Good day, everyone! Many shooters who are interested in Zenitco new products ask the question of the advantages of combining a red dot with a laser designator. Indeed, Vzor-2 red dot has a rather specific niche, but I think that its appearance on the market is fully justified. First of all, Vzor-2 red dot is optimally suited for subcompact models as well as weapon models where there is a shortage of mounting position when additional equipment is required. In fact, being a hybrid of Vzor-1 and perst-4, this concept is smaller in size, lighter by 50 grams, and also significantly lower in price. The choice is up to you. I would like to add here that yes, initially Vzor-2 was planned as a device that combines a lot of features at small surface to install it on compact rifles like AKS-74U, Vitis SN, but the practice of real operation showed that it is also very convenient for rifles with enough space for mounting additional equipment. And now I suggest to open the box. That's a new box. Looks really awesome. To open it, you need to unscrew 2 screws on sides and open the top cover. Let's do that. Let's see what's in the kit. The kit includes manual, read it before you start using the device, short manual, Vzor-2 red dot, KVD2 remote switch. It can be installed both on Picatinny rail and on basis rail. For Picatinny rail there is an additional rail installed. If you plan to install it on basis rail, you take it off, and for installation on basis rail you use either an oval mount or M5 by 9 screw. They are in the kit. Note here, if you install it on Picatinny rail, do not screw this screw. It is designed just to enter this part. And for installation you use side screws. hex key for a lens hood, and additional CR123 battery, one here and one inside the device. Zorto. Let's look at the body of the device. There are lens protection covers. There is a lens hood. If you want to take it off or install, use the hex key. Here, controls of the red dot, R button, this is Russian R, stands for regime, which means mode, for mode selection. This is brightness control of red dot aiming mark. Here are red dot zeroing units. Controls of the laser. Here you switch between modes. Now it is turned off. Z stands for зеленый, which means green. It stands for visible laser. IK stands for infrared. This is for infrared laser. These are plus minus brightness control buttons of the laser. This is on-off button of the laser. Mount. It has a quick release mount for installation on Picatinny rail. To install, you pull this lock, you open the lever, you install on Picatinny rail, you close the lever, you fix the lock, and after that you check for wobble. If there is wobble, tighten this screw. I suggest now to go to the shooting range and show all the modes in practice. Hello! We are now at our friends in Kaliber shooting complex. Saiga 9 is equipped with Vzor-2 red dot. Let's see. It is installed on Spot 3 kit, and now it is paired with Vzor-2 dual flashlight. That is, with two devices we cover the entire possible range of our needs. A flashlight in visible range, a flashlight in infrared range, and in Vzor-2 there is a double laser designator, visible and infrared, and a red dot. In this setup I installed KVD2 remote switch, which is in the kit of Vzor-2. With it, it will be more convenient for me to operate the device. But we are here to demonstrate everything in practice. I propose to see how we adjust the brightness, how it looks in the visible range, in the infrared range, how the aiming mark looks, and shoot. Follow me? Let's start with brightness control. In order to adjust the brightness of the laser designator, you must first turn it on in the desired mode, visible or infrared. I will turn it on in visible mode. Next, to turn on the laser, use either the button on the body or the remote switch. Brightness adjustment is carried out both with the buttons on the body, plus, minus, and with the help of the rotary switch. I enabled minimum brightness, now I'm transferring it to the maximum brightness. And I suggest to shoot at maximum brightness. But it's a combo, double laser designator plus a red dot. You can shoot with the red dot. There are three possible aiming marks: dot, circle, and dot plus circle. To select a mark, use the mode button. You can also adjust the brightness of each of the marks separately. There is an adjustment for dot and circle separately, so you can independently adjust the brightness of the dot, the brightness of the circle. Let's shoot with the red dot. And now I propose to look at night modes. I took the night vision device. Now let's look at brightness control in infrared mode. I turn on the laser designator in infrared mode. This is the maximum brightness. It can be reduced to very, very small and increased back. This is a combined device. There is not only a laser but also a red dot with which you can work in night mode. There are two brightness modes for working with night vision devices. To adjust the modes, you use the buttons on the body of the device. Thanks to Kaliber Shooting Complex for their help in organizing the shooting. The mode that I didn't cover at the range is blocked mode of the red dot. Blocked mode is when buttons of the red dot do not respond, so it does not turn on accidentally when you don't want it. To enter the blocked mode, you press 3 buttons of the red dot simultaneously. Press and hold buttons R, plus and minus. That's how you enter blocked mode. To exit blocked mode, you press them twice simultaneously, like this. Click, click. And it exits the blocked mode. To turn the device on when it is not blocked, you press any button of the red dot. To switch it off, you press plus, minus buttons simultaneously. The blocked mode in the laser is in this position of the selector, in turned off position. So it has 3 positions: visible, invisible, and turned off. When you stop working with the device, turn it off. And now I suggest to weight Vzor-2 and compare its weight with Vzor-1 and perst 4. Vzor-2 with batteries inside, lens hood, protection covers, weighs 281 grams. Let's compare this weight with the weight of 2 devices, perst 4 and Vzor-1, if we use them separately. Dmitry mentioned that the difference is 50 grams. Where did he get the number of 50 grams? I will explain. Here is perst 4, here is Vzor-1. 331 grams. Here where 50 grams comes from. But this exact comparison is the weight that was reduced by making those device a single device. But there is no platform here. If we add a platform, the weight will be higher. PB1 platform and screws. 4 screws. 365 grams. Some of you may say that there is a lens hood here. Lens hood weighs 8 grams. So those 2 devices on their own are light enough, but combination of them is even lighter. Vzor-2 is already available. See the list of our official partners on our website en.zenitco.ru in Partners section. Follow our channel, press the like button if you like the video, and see you soon. Goodbye.